As we grow older, our bodies have specific nutritional needs to keep us vibrant, active, and healthy. In today's video, we're diving into the top nutrient-dense foods that can make a powerful impact on your health after 50. From supporting heart and brain health to bolstering bone strength and improving digestion, these foods are carefully selected to align with the nutritional requirements of aging gracefully. Whether you're approaching this stage in life or already embracing it, these insights will empower you to make informed choices for your well-being. Each recommendation includes foods rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that play a crucial role in supporting overall health. From heart-healthy omega-3s in salmon to the immunity-boosting properties of leafy greens, and the digestion-supporting fiber in whole grains, we'll cover it all in an engaging and accessible way. Stick around as we explore these delicious and nutritious options that can help you live your best life after 50. Let's get started. Our first nutrient powerhouse is fatty fish, particularly salmon. Salmon is an exceptional source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential fats, meaning your body can't produce them, so they must come from your diet. They're known for their role in cardiovascular health. Research shows that omega-3s can significantly reduce blood pressure and the risk of heart disease. The American Heart Association recommends eating 2 servings of fatty fish like salmon per week to help meet your omega-3 needs. This not only supports your heart but also helps maintain joint comfort and reduce inflammation throughout the body. Now, let's talk about how to incorporate more salmon into your meals. One of my favorite ways is simply baking it with a sprinkle of herbs. It's easy, quick, and you preserve all the goodness of the fish. Start with a nice salmon fillet, drizzle a bit of olive oil, then choose your herbs, dill, parsley, and thyme all work wonderfully. Bake it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes, and you've got a perfect, heart-healthy main dish. Another great option is to flake cook salmon over a fresh salad. It adds a rich, satisfying texture and boosts your meal's nutrient content. Eating salmon this way makes it easy to reach your omega-3 goals and keep your heart in great shape as you age. Remember, it's not just about adding years to your life, but life to your years with nutritious and delicious choices. Next up, we have leafy greens like spinach and kale, which are packed with a range of nutrients that are especially beneficial as we get older. These greens are loaded with calcium, vitamin K, and fiber nutrients that support bone strength, eye health, and digestive balance. Calcium is essential for maintaining strong bones, which can become more vulnerable with age. However, calcium doesn't work alone, it relies on vitamin K, which plays a critical role in helping calcium bind to the bone matrix, keeping bones strong and reducing the risk of fractures. Leafy greens like kale and spinach are among the best plant sources for this vitamin, making them an ideal addition to a diet focused on bone health. Along with supporting bone health, leafy greens also offer plenty of dietary fiber. Fiber is vital for digestive health, helping to keep our digestive system functioning smoothly. It promotes regularity, supports gut health, and can even aid in managing cholesterol levels. Fiber also helps us feel full and satisfied, which can be useful for maintaining a balanced diet as metabolism shifts with age. Now, how can we cook these greens to maximize their benefits? Let's start with sautéing. Cooking spinach and kale in a little healthy fat, like olive oil, can actually help your body absorb more of their vitamins. Just heat a bit of oil in a pan, add the greens, and cook them until they're just wilted. This preserves their nutrients while making them easier to digest. Another tip is to pair these greens with a vitamin C-rich food, like oranges or bell peppers. Vitamin C can enhance iron absorption from plant sources, making these combinations not only tasty but also extremely beneficial for your health. Try adding lemon juice to your greens or tossing them with fresh citrus fruits and peppers in a salad. It's delicious, nutritious, and full of life-enhancing vitamins. Berries are another must-have when it comes to nutrient-dense foods that support healthy aging. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, and other colorful berries are packed with antioxidants, which are natural compounds that help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. This protection is particularly important for brain health and cognitive function as we get older. Studies have found that these compounds can help slow down memory impairments and protect against cognitive decline. Research, including studies from the Nurses' Health Study and the Harvard Medical School, has shown that regular intake of berries can significantly delay cognitive aging by up to 2.5 years. This is believed to be due to their ability to help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. So, how can we get more of these brain-boosting berries into our diet? A great way is to start your day with them. Adding berries to your morning yogurt or cereal not only adds natural sweetness but also a healthy dose of these cognitive-supporting flavonoids. Berries are incredibly versatile. Toss them into a smoothie, layer them in a parfait, or just enjoy them fresh as a snack. The key is regular consumption, so finding daily ways to incorporate them into your meals can contribute to better brain health over time. Another quick tip is to keep frozen berries on hand. They retain most of their nutritional benefits and are a cost-effective way to enjoy them year-round. Simply thaw what you need, and add them to any dish for a nutritious boost. Greek yogurt is a fantastic addition to a balanced diet, especially as we age. Known for its high protein content, Greek yogurt is perfect for supporting muscle maintenance, which naturally becomes more important over time. Protein is essential for muscle repair and strength, helping us stay active and strong as we grow older. Greek yogurt is a fantastic addition to a balanced diet, especially as we age. Known for its high protein content, Greek yogurt is perfect for supporting muscle maintenance, which naturally becomes more important over time. Protein is essential for muscle repair and strength, helping us stay active and strong as we grow older. Greek yogurt is also an excellent source of calcium, a mineral that's crucial for maintaining bone density. As we age, our bones can become more fragile, so getting enough calcium is essential for reducing the risk of fractures and supporting overall bone health. But one of the most unique benefits of Greek yogurt lies in its probiotic content. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that support gut health, which is closely tied to immune function and nutrient absorption. Our digestive system may sometimes need extra support as we age, and probiotics can help by promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria, aiding in digestion, and potentially improving overall well-being. Incorporating a serving of Greek yogurt into your daily routine, whether as part of a breakfast parfait with nuts and berries or a simple snack, is a great way to get a protein boost, support bone health, and nurture your digestive system all at once. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds, are nutritional powerhouses loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients like vitamin E. These small but mighty foods offer significant benefits, especially as we age. Healthy fats, particularly the monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats found in nuts and seeds, are vital for heart health. They help lower LDL cholesterol, often called bad cholesterol, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. Omega-3 fatty acids in certain nuts, like walnuts, also have anti-inflammatory properties, supporting overall cardiovascular function and brain health. Vitamin E, a potent antioxidant present in nuts like almonds, plays a key role in protecting cells from damage and supports immune health. Antioxidants are especially beneficial as they counteract oxidative stress, which increases with age and can impact cellular function. The fiber content in nuts and seeds is another standout feature. Fiber supports digestive health, aids in stabilizing blood sugar levels, and contributes to a steady energy supply, helping you stay fuller for longer and reducing energy dips throughout the day. Let's talk about how to incorporate these into your daily routine. Nuts and seeds make for a perfect snack on their own, or you can mix them into homemade trail mixes. Try combining almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and a sprinkle of dried fruit for a quick energy boost. They're also great for adding crunch and nutrients to meals. Sprinkle a handful of sunflower seeds over your morning oatmeal or add chopped nuts to your yogurt or salad for extra texture and flavor. Avocados are a unique and nutrient-rich food, packed with monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and an excellent source of lasting energy. These healthy fats help reduce levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, which can lower the risk of heart disease and support overall cardiovascular health. In addition to healthy fats, avocados are loaded with potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in managing blood pressure. Potassium helps balance sodium levels in the body, which can reduce strain on the heart and improve circulation. Avocados are also rich in B vitamins, particularly folate and B6, which supports cellular energy production, brain health, and overall vitality. Including avocado in your diet is easy and versatile. Whether you add slices to toast, mix them into salads, or blend them into smoothies, avocados bring a creamy texture and a powerful dose of nutrients that support both heart health and overall well-being. Turmeric has gained widespread attention for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, making it an ideal addition to a wellness-focused diet, especially as we age. The active compound in turmeric, called curcumin, is responsible for many of these health benefits. Curcumin has been studied for its ability to reduce inflammation in the body, which can be especially helpful for easing joint discomfort, a common concern as we grow older. Beyond its impact on joints, curcumin also supports brain health. Its antioxidant properties help protect brain cells from oxidative stress, which can contribute to cognitive decline over time. Some research even suggests that curcumin may help improve mood and support memory, making it a valuable addition for both mental and physical well-being. Adding a dash of turmeric to your daily routine is simple and versatile. Try stirring it into soups, blending it into smoothies, or creating a warm, comforting golden milk latte. This easy addition can provide a health boost that supports both your body and mind. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which have been shown to support both heart health and brain function. These flavonoids help improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and protect against cell damage caused by free radicals. Just a small square or two of dark chocolate each day can provide these benefits without overindulgence. The key is to choose chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content or higher to ensure you're getting the maximum amount of beneficial compounds with minimal added sugars. So go ahead, enjoy a small piece of dark chocolate. It's a delicious and surprisingly healthy way to support your body. There you have it, a sweet way to support your heart health and satisfy your taste buds. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to enjoy healthy, delicious foods. Stay sweet and see you next time.